Do you know how much Delta makes when its Airbus A350 flies fully booked? This is flight DL194, Atlanta to Paris Charles de Gaulle, 4,680 miles, about 9 hours, Delta's flagship aircraft, 306 passengers across 3 cabin classes, up front, 32 Delta One suites, fully flat beds with sliding doors. Behind them, 48 premium economy seats, and filling the rest, 226 economy seats. Now, the money. 32 Delta One suites averaging around $3,800 each. That's $121,600. 48 premium economy seats averaging around $1,150 each adds $55,200. 226 economy seats averaging around $550 each. That's $124,300. Add belly cargo, another $25,000. Total revenue, roughly $326,000. Now the costs. The A350 burns around 1,350 gallons per hour. Over 9 hours, about $43,000 in fuel. Paris CDG landing fees, ground handling, catering, $25,000. ATC charges, $10,000. Crew costs for 2 pilots and 10 cabin crew, $15,000. Maintenance and aircraft ownership, $60,000. Total costs, roughly $168,000. The profit, $326,000 minus $168,000. An estimated $158,000 on a single fully booked flight. That's about $516 per passenger, and Delta flies this route daily. On strong transatlantic routes like Atlanta to Paris, the A350 can be one of Delta's most profitable aircraft.